It's 7:30 in the morning and it's time to go fishing. And see if we can catch something from the pier. I'm looking forward to it. I haven't fished in a long time, so I'm hoping to catch some GTs and just use my casting rods and lures and maybe jig a bit, see what's up. So let's see when we get there. About 20 minutes before high tide. About an hour earlier would have been ideal, but yeah, we're going to try it out anyway.
I have less nose.
Huh? Yeah, exactly. Yes. She still doesn't have a suitcase. So yeah, poor girl. See, hopefully it will come today, but it's looking less likely. So we're a little mini fishing vlog here. We're going to try and catch some small GTs, well, relatively small, with a little soft bait here. Yeah. And I've not tried this color before here. I usually go for white, but I don't have any more of those. So I'm going to try it with this. And then we'll try out some other lures. But I have a good feeling today. The water's a bit murky. It's almost high tide. We think we've caught some rubbish, but we're not sure. No, it's a fish. It's a fish.
I have a fish.
Maybe? Yeah. Go get the net. Go get the net. Alright. So we got our first fish and it's a grouper. So tonight I think we're going to enjoy a nice dinner as well. Just bleeding the fish out now. So as you saw, we just caught a grouper. So I'm using a butterfly jig, like flutters on the way down. Throw it out, let it get to the bottom like this. Reel up and then just twitch it up. And feel it hits the bottom. It's on the bottom now. And just flick it up again. It's on the bottom. Lift it off the bottom. And that's it. And then we do that for an hour or less, I don't know. How long have we been here? Maybe 40 minutes, 30 minutes?
Yes.
And yeah, I've got fish already. The first grouper I've caught here like that, but I've caught many GTs here and torpedoes and a whole bunch of other things. But yeah.
Wow!
I need the net, baby.
Huh?
I need the net.
How, baby?
Take a picture again. Oh, it's nice. I can't believe that I caught that fish with one hand. I was on the phone with Risha. with one
Professional.
hand And fucking jigging with the other one. Oh look! Oh man, totally different.
Wow!
What a little selection.
Wait, baby.
This one, okay.
Hmm?
Look at this little guy. Look at him. Look at him. See this thing? If I put him inside, he's already dead. Cannot live anymore. So now I lost a much bigger one, ripped my line, and so we're gonna go pick up our fish, and then we're gonna go and eat them. I'm extremely extremely impressed with my knife that I bought in food court. Just cutting that butter. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. This is what happens when you buy Japanese. Look at that. Incredible. That is really good. I would say that's not bad for a beginner like me.
I have to say I'm really happy with how the dinner turned out. We got some fresh salad, then we cooked the grouper in a Hong Kong style. We also made some fried fish, and of course I made some sashimi, and it looks very white because I brushed it with lemon, but on the inside it is still sashimi. So yes, the crowning glory, as you can see, giant trevally sashimi slices. And yeah, here's my little mix that I made. I'm very happy with it. It was a spur of the moment and it turned out absolutely delicious, so try it out. A very successful day indeed. Join us next week when we go to Diani Beach, the best rated beach in Africa.